In this video, I'll show you how you can downgrade to an older Intel driver. What you want to do is you want to open up Device Manager. In here, go to Display Adapters, right click on your driver, your graphics card, go to Properties, Driver, and then you should have the option to roll back driver, and this will go to a previously installed one. Now if this one is grayed out like mine, what you can do is you can press Update Driver, browse my computer, let me pick from a list and see if you have one in here that you can choose. Now if you still don't have that, what you can do is you can look here on the driver date, and then what you can do is you can simply Google your graphics card and then Google the name and then driver, and then you can download a driver which is older than this one. So you can see this is my driver date, so you just want to find one that's older than this one on the official website and just download that one instead. So basically those are the 3 ways that you can do it. Now I really hope this video helped you a little bit. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.